Hi, in front of me is SOYES S10 Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher. Wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. Then click Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!